Hi, good day and God bless everyone. For today's video is about nature and evolution history of accounting. What is accounting? Accounting it is a systematic process of identifying, verifying, summarizing, interpreting, and communicating financial information. Nature of accounting. Accounting theory. Accounting is a systematic recording of financial transactions and the presentation of the related information to person. Accounting is a service activity. Accounting provides assistance to decision made by providing financial report will guide in coming up with sound decision. Accounting is a process. A process refers to the method of performing any specific job, step by step, according to the objectives or the target. Accounting is both an art and discipline. Accounting is the art of the recording, classifying, summarizing, and finalizing financial data. Accounting deals with financial information and transaction. Accounting records financial transaction and data, classify this and finalize the result given for a specified period of time as needed by user. Accounting is an information system. Accounting recognized and characterized as a storehouse of information. History of accounting. Accounting is as old civilization itself. It has evolved in response to various social and economic needs of men. The cradle of civilization. Around 3600 BC, record keeping was already common from Mesopotamia, China, and India to Central and South America. French Revolution. The study of accounting and development of accounting theory during this period. The Industrial Revolution 1760 to 1830. Production and the great importance of fixed assets were given attention during this period. Thank you and God bless for watching this video.